English Speaks Go, your home for English podcasts.
I really hope it's not a serious engine problem. I've already spent a lot on this car this year. Last month I had to replace the battery.
I feel you. Maintenance can be a pain. All right, let's plug in the OBD2 scanner and see what the computer's internal memory says. Okay, here we go. The code is P0301.
P0301? What on earth does that mean? Is it the transmission? Please tell me it's not the transmission.
Relax, it's not the transmission. It looks like you've got a misfire in cylinder 1. Basically, the fuel in that cylinder isn't igniting properly. That's why your car feels a bit jerky when you're idling at a red light.
A misfire? Is that expensive to fix? Can I still drive it like this?
I wouldn't recommend it. A misfire can dump raw fuel into your catalytic converter, and that is a very expensive part to replace. Usually a misfire is just a worn-out spark plug or a faulty ignition coil. How long has it been since you changed your spark plugs?
To be honest, I don't think I've ever changed them. I've had the car for 3 years now.
Well, there's your answer. Spark plugs are supposed to be changed every 30 to 50,000 miles. While I'm looking at the engine, I'm also noticing some oil seepage around the valve cover gasket. See that wet spot down there?
Oh man, it's always one thing after another. Is it a major leak? Do I need to fix it today?
It's not a stop driving right now kind of leak, but you'll want to get it sealed soon. If oil drips onto the alternator or the rubber hoses, it will eat them away over time. Then you're looking at a much bigger bill. Now, let's look at these brakes. I'm going to take the wheel off.
Oh, wow. Those metal discs look really scratched up. Is that normal?
No, that's exactly what I feared. These rotors are scored. Because you waited too long to change the pads, the metal backing of the pad has been digging into the rotor. It's like sandpaper on glass. We can't just resurface or shave them down because they're already too thin. They need to be replaced for your safety.
This sounds like it's going to cost a fortune. Can you give me a ballpark figure? Give it to me straight, Sam.
All right, let's do the math. New front rotors, high-quality ceramic pads, a set of 4 spark plugs, 1 ignition coil for cylinder 1, plus an oil change since you're already past your limit. For parts and labor, I'd say it's going to be around $850.
$850? That's a bit steep for a Tuesday morning. Is there any way we can bring that down? I'm on a tight budget this month. Maybe use aftermarket parts instead of OEM?
I can use high-quality aftermarket pads to save you about $60. They are almost as good as the original ones, but I wouldn't recommend cheaping out on the rotors or the ignition coil. Cheap electrical parts fail within a month, and then you'll be back here paying for labor again.
I see your point. It's better to do it right the first time. If I get everything done today, can you at least waive the diagnostic fee? That was $65, right?
Tell you what, Alex, since you're a new customer and you're doing the full service, I'll waive the diagnostic fee and I'll give the car a full multi-point inspection for free. I'll check your transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and your belts.
That sounds fair. Deal. How long will it take? Can I wait here?
I'll need the car for about 4 or 5 hours. We need to wait for the parts to be delivered. There's a coffee shop around the corner with good Wi-Fi. You can work from there.
Great idea. Oh, and can you check the tire pressure? The light came on yesterday, but then it went away.
Will do. It's probably just the cold weather changing the pressure, but I'll check for any nails or leaks just in case. I'll give you a call as soon as she's road ready and safe for your trip.
Thanks, Sam. I appreciate you explaining everything. I feel much better knowing what's actually going on under the hood.
No problem, Alex. That's what we're here for. We'll have you back on the road by 5 p.m.